Welcome back to LGS Cars, where we unveil the secrets of future automobiles. Today, we're taking you deep into the world of the 2026 Audi A6, a luxury sedan that not only captures attention with its refined aesthetics, but also challenges the status quo with its cutting-edge innovation. Is this the moment when the future truly arrives? Let's find out. Elegant evolution, A6's design language reimagined. The 2026 Audi A6 brings a refreshed design that exudes modern sophistication. At the front, the signature single-frame grille is wider and more sculpted, flanked by sharper matrix LED headlamps that provide a more aggressive and high-tech look. The silhouette is sleek, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Audi. Refined lines flow seamlessly from the hood to the tail, giving it a sporty yet executive appearance. The rear features new OLED taillights with customizable light signatures, a feature that adds both flair and functionality. With aerodynamically optimized 20 or 21-inch alloy wheels, the A6 maintains its premium stance whether in motion or at rest. Next-level cabin. Tech meets tranquility step inside, and the A6 feels more like a digital lounge than a traditional car. Audi has fully revamped the cabin with a minimalist dashboard featuring dual-curved OLED touchscreens, haptic feedback, and an intuitive interface powered by the latest MMI touch response system. Ambient lighting, premium natural materials, and ventilated Valcona leather seats elevate the comfort to limousine standards. The new Audi Digital Cockpit Plus offers even more customization and driver data clarity than before. And yes, the 2026 A6 integrates ChatGPT-style AI voice assistant, allowing natural conversations for navigation, car settings, and infotainment controls. Electrified and efficient powertrains for the new era. Under the hood, Audi offers multiple powertrain options for the 2026 A6, including mild hybrid turbocharged petrol and diesel engines, as well as plug-in hybrid PHEV variants with over 90 kilometers of electric-only range. For those looking for efficiency without compromising power, the 2.0-liter TFSI mild hybrid engine delivers smooth acceleration and fuel savings. Meanwhile, the PHEV model combines a Turbo 4 engine with a powerful electric motor, making it ideal for urban commuting and weekend getaways. Quattro all-wheel drive comes standard on higher trims, offering impeccable grip and stability in all driving conditions. Driving dynamics. Comfort meets sportiness. The 2026 A6 features adaptive air suspension, which dynamically adjusts ride height and stiffness for superior comfort on highways and confident control on twisty roads. Audi Drive Select lets drivers toggle between comfort, auto, dynamic, and individual modes to tailor the driving experience. Optional rear-wheel steering improves maneuverability in tight city streets and stability at higher speeds. Whether you're cruising or carving corners, the A6 feels balanced, quiet, and poised. Safety and connectivity. Smart protection. Everywhere. Audi doesn't cut corners on safety. The 2026 A6 includes an upgraded ADAS suite with features like Adaptive Cruise Assist, Predictive Efficiency Assist, Intersection Assist, 360-degree cameras with 3D view remote parking via smartphone, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and a Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system ensure every journey is as smart and immersive as it is safe. Verdict: is the 2026 Audi A6 the new gold standard? If you're looking for a luxury sedan that fuses timeless elegance with futuristic intelligence, the 2026 Audi A6 might just be your perfect match. It doesn't scream for attention, it commands it effortlessly. With its blend of luxury, technology, and electrified efficiency, the new A6 isn't just evolving, it's redefining what an executive sedan can be.